numbers aren't in a vacuum. Numbers are related to other numbers, and the statistics term for that is a distribution, right? What is the distribution of numbers? That's ultimately what you care about as a statistician, right? So if we are helping kids understand that from a young age, then I think that we are really helping them in a much more fundamental way than the most Algebra 2 topics are going to help these kids. Then the fact that they can use this and get some college credit for it is, all the better, right? So I'm really happy to see this article coming out of the Washington Post. So really good job to the Oxnard School District in California for applying some forward thinking and preparing their students, and helping them get some college credit ahead of time via these data science courses. So good for them. Great. So speaking about being prepared for data science, the fifth article I'd like to talk to you about is coming from Katie Nuggets.